Alright. Gotcha. Woo! That was stupid. Woo! Hold.
Careful, you're gonna step on her.
Alright. You got it. Doll has been rescued.
Very hailing out there.
Oh, it's very, very windy and very, very cold. Like, I got hit by a few raindrops. It is
Motherfucker, there's so many tornadoes recently. I swear to God, in all my years of living, I've met like one tornado. Now there's 72.
met. I didn't know you could get introduced to tornadoes. Okay. I believe I called her Marietta. So Marietta is inside because, oh, I don't know what the fuck you are. There's a bug. You can hang out inside too. Have fun. Don't screw with me and we'll be fine. Pretty sure that's a horsefly. Oh. Here. Sure, go. Andy's out. Horsefly is gone. Now, I was trying to be nice, but he wanted out in this weather for some damn reason. I ain't gonna complain. Woo.
I see big hail.
It's starting to listen up.
When Ray slows down, that means hail's growing in the clouds.
There's already a few pieces. And it is icy cold. I went out there. The doll, she spun to look at me. So I went and got her. She stared at me.
Ooh.
Sorry for the shakiness. I'm trying to hold the phone still, but I'm holding it at a weird angle. It's kind of hard to do. That and my hands are really shaky for some reason. I feel energized. I don't know why. That whistling, by the way, is the parrot. My sister's bird hanging out with us. What?
Yeah, it's like 3 months old. And it's been open, so I don't know how well it is, but...
Put it on my table.
Which table?
Coffee. Whoa. It was like right above our head. Oh, I felt that. That's not good. Oh, you can kind of see down the road, there's all those little white things are hail. So it's slowly becoming more and more hail and less rain.
a rocket here there?
It's been nearby the cardboard thing for a while. I guess it just got kicked onto there. I have no idea how that thing hasn't disintegrated.
I don't know. I mean, mallets, apparently human, equal very strong because everything that's done to the earth and things like that normally tend to be destroyed because of humans. Well, if you're shaking, go away from the fucking door!
We're her protectors. Here, hold this.